Experience powerful sound and premium comfort with the Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones. Designed with a custom acoustic platform, these headphones deliver rich, balanced audio along with active noise cancelling, transparency mode, and immersive personalized spatial audio. With up to 40 hours of battery life and seamless compatibility with both Apple and Android devices, they're built for all-day listening, travel, and entertainment. Starting at number 1. Over-ear headphones. The Beats over-ear headphones in deep brown color offer an over-ear design with a custom acoustic platform that delivers rich, immersive sound for both music and calls. They provide lossless audio via USB-C and include 3 distinct built-in sound profiles to enhance your listening experience. With 2 listening modes, you can choose between fully adaptive active noise cancelling ANC to block out distractions or transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings. These headphones feature enhanced compatibility with one-touch pairing and support for a range of native Apple and Android features. Additionally, personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking creates an immersive 360-degree listening experience, placing you at the center of your audio world. Number 2. Noise Cancelling Headphones. The Noise Cancelling Headphone Studio Pro in matte pink is an over-ear headphone that combines style with advanced audio technology. Featuring Beats' custom acoustic platform, it delivers rich and immersive sound, whether you're enjoying music or taking calls. With lossless audio via USB-C and 3 distinct built-in sound profiles, your listening experience is enhanced to suit your preferences. The headphones offer 2 distinct listening modes: fully adaptive active noise cancelling ANC to block out distractions and transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings. Additionally, they provide enhanced compatibility with one-touch pairing and a robust set of native features for both Apple and Android devices, ensuring a seamless and versatile user experience. Number 3. Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2. The Skullcandy over-ear headphones in true black feature patented multi-sensory crusher-based technology, which includes 2 full-range 40mm audio drivers and dual bass drivers, delivering an immersive sound experience you can feel. Equipped with adjustable 4-mic active noise cancelling, these headphones effectively reduce surrounding noise for a more focused listening experience. With an impressive battery life of up to 60 hours with ANC off, and a rapid charge feature providing 4 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge, these headphones are perfect for long listening sessions. The Skull IQ app allows you to personalize your sound with features like Personal Sound by Mimi, adjustable hearing modes such as active noise cancelling and stay aware, as well as customizable EQ settings. Additionally, the multipoint pairing capability lets you connect to 2 devices simultaneously, ensuring seamless transitions between them. Number 4. Beats Studio 3-Decade Collection. The Studio 3-Decade Collection headphones in defiant black/red feature an over-ear design and provide a premium listening experience with pure adaptive noise cancelling, pure ANC, that actively blocks external noise. Equipped with real-time audio calibration, they ensure high-quality audio performance. These headphones offer up to 22 hours of battery life, allowing for all-day wireless playback, powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. With the Apple W1 chip, they deliver Class 1 wireless Bluetooth connectivity and enhanced battery efficiency, making them a reliable and stylish choice for music lovers. Number 5. Beats Studio Pro X Kim Kardashian. The Beats headphones in Dune color offer an over-ear design with a custom acoustic platform that delivers rich, immersive sound for music or calls. With a 32 ohm impedance, these headphones provide lossless audio via USB-C and feature 3 distinct built-in sound profiles to enhance your listening experience. They include 2 listening modes: fully adaptive active noise cancelling ANC to block out distractions and transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings. Enhanced compatibility ensures seamless one-touch pairing with Apple and Android devices, along with native features for both platforms. The personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking creates an immersive 360-degree listening experience. Additionally, the headphones provide up to 40 hours of battery life, and a 10-minute fast fuel charge offers up to 4 hours of playback, making them perfect for extended use. Every link to the best current deals is in the description below. I've checked all the retailers, Amazon, Best Buy, Apple, so you can grab the best price instantly.